Hello, dear student. How are how are you all? Happy New Year to all of you. May God bless you and keep you safe and healthy. From today onwards, we are going to begin the study of the lessons which we have to study during this second term of this academic year. Children are very curious, aren't they? Yes, they are. And you are also very curious that whatever the new things happening or whoever comes nearby you in your neighborhood, you would be first to get the knowledge and information about them. Am I right? I think I am right. And here also we are going to study about such a the children of your type. Two children are there, Nishad and his sister Maya. And they are also very curious just like you. So here we are now going to begin unit number 6, from that chapter number 6, expert detectives. But before we start reading of the lesson and explaining, here let us see the introduction. Nishad, a boy of 7, also called Seven because his name means the seven note on the musical scale. This means there are in musical, when musics are there are different type of note, or we can say sa re ga ma pa dha ni na ni. Last one is ni, that is nishad, and so that is why here the boy is also age of 7 years and his name is Nishad. So very frequently his sister called him as Seven. Okay, and his 10 years old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath. Then one day the children's marble roll into Mr. Nath's room and Nishad gets a chance to see him. Is he a crook on the run? Why his why is his face badly scarred, and why has he no friends? Nishad mother, a doctor, know Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite. So here certain information is given that two children's name, as I told, Nishad and his sister Maya. Nishad is of 7 years old boy and Maya is of 10 years old girl. Their mother is a doctor. This Mr. Nath is a patient of their mother, and their mother told them Mr. Nath is a very polite by nature. But as he is living alone, he is not talking with anybody in the neighborhood. He has no friend. So these children have the different idea in their mind. Nishad, by looking his appearance, think something different about Mr. Nath, whereas his sister also thinking differently. And they think that if he is a crook on the run, now here what is mean by a crook on the run? Means a crook means a criminal who is caught by police, and then if he slipped from the hand of from the custody of the police, then it is called a crook on the run. So here now let us see how these boys are thinking about that particular person, Mr. Nath, and to satisfy themselves, they are doing work as just like a detectives. You know what is detective? डिटेक्टिव का मतलब होता है जासूस. तुम जानते हो जासूस क्या करते हैं? मान लो कोई भी ऐसा कोई चीज़ हो, या तो कोई किसी देश के बारे में, तो किसी व्यक्ति के बारे में हो, तो वो हर एक चीज़ की बराबर से देख रेख रखते हैं, उसके पीछे लगे रहते हैं, और जो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन, वॉट एवर द इंफॉर्मेशन दे आर गेटिंग थ्रू इट, वॉट एवर द पर्सन इज इंक्लूडेड इन दैट, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, उनका बिजनेस क्या है, किस तरह से वो काम करते, कैसा काम करते, किसको मिलते हैं, ये सारी नोट्स लिखते हैं. और ये सारी नोट्स का पूरा पूरा स्टडी करके फिर बाद में वो पर्सन के बारे में जो तथ्य जानने के लिए होता है, जो सच्चाई जानने की होती है, वो जानकर रहते हैं, उसे डिटेक्टिव कहते हैं, जासूस कहते हैं. And here the lesson name is expert detectives. Means expert means kushal, very clever, efficient. तो एक्सपर्ट डिटेक्टिव्स. हियर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट पार्ट 1. मैं पहले एक एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ूंगा. वेयर एवर इट इज नीडेड आई विल गिव यू मीनिंग, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन एंड वी विल गो अहेड. So here I am going to start the reading of the first paragraph. As we walked back toward the clinic, Sevan said, "He doesn't look anything like a monster, Maya. But did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat." So here these both children, when they are walking back toward the clinic, Sevan, Miss Nishad, said to his sister that Mr. Nath is not looking like a monster. Means what the small guy have the idea in his mind that if it is a criminal, then he must look dangerous, no? Just like a monster. You know what is meant by monster? Demon, राक्षस. तो कुछ ऐसा क्रूर दिखाई दे. Cruelty should be there, no? If it is a crook or a criminal, then his face must have the must look just like a cruel face. Okay, so this boy said that he doesn't look like a monster, and even though in spite of looking like a monster or a criminal, he is very thin, and according to Nishad, he is very poor and can't afford to eat. Then the next page. So here in first paragraph, they both children are talking with each other regarding Mr. Nath. He can't be poor if he is a crook on the run. I told him he is probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. Now here I means the narrator or the writer of the story, and that is Maya, sister of Nishad. So Maya replied to Nishad that he can't be a poor if he is a crook on the run. Means ये वो भागा हुआ कोई मुजरिम है, then definitely वो कभी poor नहीं हो सकता. And he is probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. Now stashed away meaning is given, hidden away, कुछ छिपा के रखना. तो शायद उसने हो सकता है, probably शायद उसके पास मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीज है, लाखों रुपए जो उसने रूम में कहीं पर छुपा के रखे हुए. Do you really think he is a criminal, Maya? He doesn't look like one. Nishad looked doubtful. Again Nishad showed his doubt. He is not sure and he is not agree with his sister that he is a criminal. He think that how can you think just like he is a criminal? He doesn't look like a criminal. Of course he is 1/7, I said, and he certainly isn't staggering. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh bring his meal up from the restaurant downstairs. So Maya again replied that of course certainly he is a criminal and he isn't starving. Now miss why the word starving is there? Starving मतलब भूख से मरना, not getting enough food to feed themselves or feed oneself. That is called भूखों मरना, dying of hunger. तो माया कहती है कि वो भूख से मरता नहीं है, भूख के कारण वो दुबला पतला नहीं, थीन नहीं दिखाई देता है. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh, a name person, bring his meals up from the restaurant downstairs. मीन्स उसका जो खाना है वो रमेश नाम का एक लड़का एक रेस्टोरेंट की जो डाउनवर्ड से उसमें से लाता है, या तो उधर से लाता है. इधर देखो, हियर यू कैन सी द टू boys, children are there. One boy named Nishad and his sister Maya, and they are thinking about and talking about a person who is there in their mind. You see how the person's appearance is, how he looks. He looks very thin, pale, okay? And that is why Nishad is not ready to accept the argument of Maya that he is a crook. But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anywhere. So how can he probably have money to pay for food? Nishad said. Then Nishad put his more argument that Mr. Mehta told that he doesn't work anywhere, then how could he get money to pay for the meal or pay for the food? Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. It's probably full of silver and gold and jewels. And here the thinking or imagination of the girl, you can see that when she heard that he is not work anywhere, and then how could he get money to pay for the food? That is why she told that exactly, that is why I am telling that he must be a criminal and he must have money hidden somewhere, and maybe in that trunk, and which there may be gold, silver, all the things are there. What rubbish, Nishad interrupted. Here Nishad is not agree, and so he is now fed up with this. So he said that what rubbish. I know I am right, stupid, I told him. By the way, 7, did you see his scars? I couldn't. It was too dark, but I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. Mummy told us quite clearly they were burn scars, Nishad said firmly. So again, then Maya said that what he said, that is right. What she said, that is right. That and here the man, Mr. Nath, has some scars on his face. So Maya told or asked to Nisha that, have you seen the scars on his face? She couldn't see because there was a dark, but she was sure that scars are because of the shootout with the police or something. And then Nishad again opposed and said that mummy told us very clearly that there were burn scars. Means scars are there, but that is because of due to burn. Nishad said firmly. Firmly means with very confident. Confidently he said that they are the scars due to the burn. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out, I suggested. 7 looked unsure. Perhaps means kadachit कि भाई once may police may following him to catch that crook Mr. Nath, and he maybe hide himself in one house, then police may put that house on fire, so he may come out and police can catch it. So these the different ideas or the arguments in the imagination of the children they are putting and keeping in front of each other. One is very sure about that Mr. Nath is detective, and another is not sure, and he thinking that he must be a man who is poor and staggering because he look very thin. So here this paragraph also said that 7, Miss Nishad is not agree with his sister Maya. Here I means you see sister Maya always. What is mean by I over here? I means that narrator or the writer of the story, and the writer of the story is okay. Name may be the different given at the end, but here I means Maya. On the Monday following Mama's birthday, 7 went alone with her to the clinic at Gurgaon. As I was spending the evening with a school friend, when they returned, Nishad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. So means what happened one day, that following means meaning given that coming after, that the Monday which is coming after their mama's birthday, 7 Miss Nishad went alone to his mother's clinic because Maya was spending the time with her school friend, and on that day Nishad got a chance to see Mr. Nath, and because of this Maya felt very bad, become very angry, annoyed with herself because she had not been there to see Mr. Nath closely. 7 had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance and was sure that he was staggering. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." So, again the same thing is there. 7 Nishad is very sure, and upset means here we can say sad. Sad about what? About the gaunt appearance of Mr. Nath. Here gaunt means what? Sickly, pale. Mr. Nath, here you can see in the photo I told, no, look very sick. Huh? Just like he's looking a very sick person. And whereas Maya thinking that he is a criminal. So both were arguing with each other. So here Nath means Seven told, Seven was very upset, very sad about the appearance of Mr. Nath, and that is why once he reached to Mr. Nath's room, knocked the door loudly, and then he said to Mr. Nath that open the door quickly. The man had opened it and asked him, lost another marble? The man means Mr. Nath. Mr. Nath opened the door and asked, lost another marble? We have seen, no, the first day in the beginning, few days before also, their marble roll into Mr. Nath's room, and when they asked for the marble, Seven had got chance to see the trunk, but he did not find anything else over there. So here when he again knocked the door, the man asked, lost another marble? The man means Mr. Nath. Mr. Nath asked to Nishad that lost another marble? He had obviously recognized my brother. No, said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. Now here thrust means to put it in with a force. Nishad thought that this person is traveling, and so he want to give him something to eat, something nice to eat. So what he did, he take that man's hand, Mr. Nath's hand in his own hand, and thrust means put with a force a bar of chocolate into it. Did you get a chance to pick into the trunk, Seven? I asked. Now pick meaning given. Look quickly and secretly. So Maya asked that when you are there putting chocolate in his hand, did you get a chance to pick in the trunk? Nishad looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me in. He said. Then he smiled. But I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh worked and talked to him. What Nisha said that no, he did not allow me even, or not offer me to come inside, even though I gave him chocolate. But he smiled and then said that I did, or I tried myself to find out something about Mr. Nath. Good for you, Mr. Detective. So now Maya called him as Mr. Detective, because you know what is the work of the detective. Try to know about that person from the different sources. Here Nishad went to the Ramesh, who bring food for Mr. Nath from the restaurant. So she said, good for you, Mr. Detective. I said, I means Maya. Maya said to Nishad, patting him on the back. Now patting means put hand on the back. एंड जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं थपथपाना, पीठ थपथपाना, मतलब शाबाशी देना, just like to give congrat. I hope you questioned him properly. Seven looked pleased. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening, and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. It's always the same food, 2 chapatis, some dal, and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. So here Ramesh gives some information to Nishad about Mr. Nath's food, that he always used to take a same type of food always, 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable, and 2 times tea, one in the morning, another in the evening, and almost not a very different things he asked for. And he also said that he pay him cash and tips well. Means this shows that Mr. Nath is generous also by nature, because only generous person give tips for service. You know what is mean by tips. हम लोग जब होटल में रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं तो द वेटर हु सर्व्ड अस we are putting some extra money to him, or we are giving some money to him as a tip. Here meaning of tip also given, that gives a generous tip means money in thanks for service. Ramesh told me something very strange, Maya. 7 added. Almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunch to Mr. Nas' room, and the same man is with him each time. He is tall, fair, stout, and wears spectacles. Ramesh says his visitor talk a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. Now here another information what he got. One particular type of man comes to Mr. Nath to meet him on every Sunday, and how he looks is the man. He is tall, fair, stout. Tall, fair. Fair means looking somewhat fair, not black. Stout and wear spectacles like me. I am wearing spectacles, no? Like me. Wear spectacles. And also Ramesh said that his visitor talks a lot, whereas Mr. Nath hardly speaks, means speak very less. So this information he got from Ramesh. Well done, Nishad. I told him. Now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we will have to sort out all the facts like expert detective so that we can trap the crook. So after getting this information, what Maya said bravo to Nishad that you have done well, and now she told that we have done some progress in our inquiry to know about that particular person, Mr. Nath, and the information what we have got, that we have to sort out all the fact like expert detective so that we can trap the crook. Now here sort out means arrange systematically, one by one, so we can get some clues from that. Another thing, trap means पकड़ना या तो उसको फंसाना. How you to go on, Maya? 7 side. How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. Again Nishad opposed that how you to go on? How you can think, Maya, that he is a criminal and you can arrange all this fact what we have got through our inquiries in systematic way and can trap a crook. He is not look like a crook at all. He is, how can you possibly imagine that he is a crook? He is not a crook. He looks so ordinary. Here Nisha said that he is looking so ordinary. He does not look like a criminal at all. Here crook means, as I told, criminal. And then criminal can look like ordinary smarty. I retorted. Did you see the picture of Hyderabadi housebreaker in the paper yesterday? He looked like any man on the street. Nishad looked doubtful. Doubtful means not very sure, not agree with his sister. In here one word is the retorted. Now here retorted means what? A particular type of a way of speaking. Means say something in answer to a remark. Just like we are giving remark. And what type of remark it is? Typically in a sharp, angry or witty way. Witty manner. Here. Okay, retorted means to say in such a way that a particular person knows better than that. So, what here, when Nishad said that he doesn't look like a criminal from any angle because he is looking very ordinary, then Maya said that criminals can look quite ordinary. Smarty, I retorted. I retorted means giving a remark. What type of remark? That criminals look like quite ordinary also. Remark in some witty way, witty manner. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi? He told that for his evidence, he said that one maybe a crime about a photo was there in yesterday's paper, who was a housebreaker, and he also looked very ordinary, just like any man on the road. But still Nishad is not agree with his sister. The monsoon broke the next day. Dark cloud accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunderburst with all their fury flooding the streets with a heavy downpour. School was to have reopened after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded road, and there was an unexpected holiday. Now what happened? The next day, maybe the school is going to reopen after the summer vacation, but the monsoon broke the next day, means the rainy season started. And how the first day of the rainy season, that is it dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning, means and as the skies grew dark clouds are there, continuous lightning is there, which flashes and make the people blind. We can't see well. Then roaring rolls of thunderburst, thunderbolts are there, and it is roaring balls are there, okay, of thunderbolts. And this all is miss the monsoon start with heavy downpour, and because of that heavy downpour, the streets were flooded. And as the streets were flooded, no traffic can move. The children got an unexpected holiday. I thought I, I had spent the day usefully. I sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. So I miss Maya. Maya saying that Maya thought that she had spent his usefully. Which time? The time which she got due to the unexpected holiday. Then that time she had used fruitfully. So she sat at his desk, their desk in their bedroom, and she had a sheet of paper before her, and what way she had spent the time, what she did, that all we will see in the part 2 next time. Here with this video here I am going to stop. We will start the part 2 in the next period. Along with this video, I am going to send you the 3 answers which is there on the next page. Three answers of 3 questions, and some spelling I am going to send you, some words that you have to find out the meaning of that words, and that all things you have to note down in your CW, because meaning of the words are very important. It makes our understanding of the lesson very easy. So that all meaning of the words you have to find out and note down in your CW, and also these 3 answers I am sending, that also you have to note down. In the next period we will go ahead with the part 2. Thank you.